Looking at your reverse mortgage as a big whole picture is super important. So I was just talking to a client. He's trying to help his mom. His mom is 85 years old. She has her house payment is $2,000 a month, and she makes $2,000 a month in Social Security. So she's struggling, obviously. She's got some roommates, but it's still a struggle. And we're talking about a reverse mortgage. That's the only thing she can qualify for unless he wants to co-sign with her. And I don't think he has the money for that either. And so he's asking really good questions about, well, what if I move into the house? What if I want to inherit the house? All of these questions. And so we ran some numbers actually. So he's 65. And he can get on the loan with her now. You don't have to be married to the person you're doing a reverse mortgage with. And so if right now, as it stands, if she goes on the loan just on her own, she gets like $300,000 cash available to her to use how she wants to use it. If he goes on the loan with her, he's 65. So we have to go off of his age. And they can still do a reverse. They can get rid of that $2,000 a month house payment. But all they'll get access to is $60,000. Not terrible. It helps accomplish a goal. It helps eliminate the house payment for mom. When she passes away, he will inherit, he'll still get to stay in the house, not make a house payment. So that kind of legacy of that still continues to go on. And he has a son. So eventually when he passes away, that son will inherit the house and probably to sell it and pay it off. But I don't know, these are all just really important things to look at that really big picture vision of down the road, what does this look like? And what do we want for our family with this house? What do we need to consider? What if I get married, he asked, what happens to that spouse? And if we have this reverse? So all of these really good questions. So anyway, I just wanted to just talk about that. If you have questions around it, I know some people think that they're a terrible idea, some think they're great. I'm here to just support whatever the goal is and to kind of talk you through it. And I've seen them bless people's lives. I've seen them, I had a client that we did the reverse. It was helping her get home to get the money she needed to get taken care of. And she actually passed away like a month after she got the reverse. So that sucked. And also that is the space that this loan product is in like seniors, like grandmas and grandpas. So anyway, if you ever have any questions, please message me, click on the link in my bio. Let's have a conversation. I am licensed in California and Utah, and I'm working on Idaho. I have contacts all over the country who do reverse. So I will make sure that you get connected with somebody who can really take care of you.